Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style horse gram curry. Very simple but yummy recipe. It's very tasty when served along with the rice. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3/4 cup of horse gram. We have washed and soaked horse gram for 2 hours. Add half teaspoon salt and sufficient water to cook horse gram. Mix it well. Cook for 3 whistles on high flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes before opening.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Horse gram has cooked well. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add 1 chopped green chilli, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute on low flame. Now add 1 chopped onion, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame until the onion turns to light golden in color. Then keep it low flame and add 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute. Now add previously cooked horse gram to it. Add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Our Kerala style horse gram curry recipe is ready. We can serve it along with the rice for best taste. We just need only 30 minutes to make this delicious recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.